There's no absolute winner between SMT and through-hole, only the right fit. Through-hole components are soldered through PCB holes, offering strong mechanical strength and easy repair, ideal for connectors and power parts, but bulky and harmful to high-frequency signals. SMT components are soldered directly on the PCB surface, compact, double-sided, and high-frequency optimized, perfect for dense electronics, but weaker in strength and harder to repair. Most modern products use hybrid assembly, SMT for core circuits, through-hole for critical interfaces or power parts, balancing efficiency and reliability. With 15+ years of expertise, Kaboer provides full SMT, through-hole, or hybrid solutions to match your project needs.